아ම්불레리 너희들 막 거의 먹어본대로. 아ම්불인자야.
Hey everyone! Today, we're watching adorable puppies realize they're at the vet for the first time, and their reactions are absolutely priceless. Get ready for funny faces, dramatic moments, and non-stop laughs. Let's get started. He said, "Thank you. I don't need a thank you." Huskies are always a bit too dramatic, especially when they go to the vet. When a dog goes to the vet, their inner drama queen comes out.
Wow!
The doctor isn't just scary to kids, even this little boy is afraid of him.
Nope.
I know. You can be a good girl for mommy? I know. Okay, well, let's go.
No, 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 no.
はい。気づいた。気づいた。
You don't want to come to the vet?
Every dog has its own unique kind of cuteness, but they all have one thing in common. They don't like going to the vet. As soon as he realized he was at the vet clinic, the dog immediately tried to open the door and escape.
Red, irritated. Can I see on this side?
Good.
I know, I'm
Good.
very in here, I'm sorry. Good.
Here comes Sunday! Woo! Good girl.
Maybe all he wants right now is to go home. The dog's anxiety says it all. He's terrified of the vet.
Nós vamos pôr o colar agora para não lamber o machucado, tá bom? Não, eu quero pôr o colar. Mas vai deixar pôr?
He's so upset that mom tricked him into going to the vet. Not even his favorite treats can cheer him up.
Rocco, come on. It's okay.
He'll do anything to be called a good boy except go through a vet checkup.
Rocco, come on. It's okay. You're okay.
Waking up from anesthesia be like.
Look at you being a mother.
I love you.
I love you. I love you, Miss T.
It wasn't just one husky protesting the vet today. The whole committee showed up to file their complaints.
What's going on, bud? He's so excited to be here. Come on, then. Let's go.
Rock push, rock pull. That's it.
Come on.
Oh. This dog's sliding there.
There we go. Are you done? Are you done?
The second he realizes it's the vet, he's already screaming like he's been betrayed.
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright,
Vital
now
check.
you take his pulse. No pulse, do 10 more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now you blow.
You gonna do it again?
Robin. Oh, man. What are you gonna do? Listen, did you break the name of it? Ya vamos, su pan, su pan, ya, su pan. Vamos a darle su pan. Ya. Ya, ¿qué cosa se le dice?
¡Nani!
Que me muero.
Oh my goodness, I love you so much. Yes, I do. Oh my goodness.
While most dogs hate going to the vet, this little troublemaker treats the whole visit like his personal playground.
Therapy dog. Hi, Nathan.
He's doing really well.
No, 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 no.
Girl. Oh my gosh, really? Really? I feel very. Come here. Oh.
The moment he realizes it's the vet, getting him out of that crate becomes almost impossible.
Oh, thank you. Yes.
I want you guys to see how horrible your dog is at nails. She's not letting me do the back ones.
The least everyone can do after that vet visit is spoil him with treats and attention.
Amor de mi vida.
I think if it keeps happening, let me know. They can get itchy booty if they have parasites or worms. Even if they don't have diarrhea, there can be an invisible.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait. 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 No.
Segura a fotinha dele aqui, pode ir. Pode ir.
Somebody must have told him that if you don't look at it, there's nothing to be scared of.
E ele vai ficar louco de raiva depois.
Puto da vida dele. Cara, você tá maluco? Meu Deus, cara.
Sorry. I don't have any. I'm a little baby. I'm a baby. I have no money. I can pay you in blocks.
Good job.
And those scooting are looking better.
No. Mm-mm.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay.
Let's try. I just had to get him into a hug.
Nanti ya, Bang.
He couldn't care less about the checkup. He's only here to steal everyone's attention.
Okay, now that's enough. Alright, let's put his party hat on. You can't miss Jordan. Okay.
Okay. All right. And it's been a year, over a year, almost a year.
Just because her son can walk now, she's so excited she can barely contain herself.
Excuse me, sir. I'm the police. What happened to your legs? And what happened to your teeth? The wabble.
That's a real quick no. No. Absolutely not. Very uninterested in that option.
No. It's cool.
Tiny little doggo. Look at these feet.
Look at these feet.
Look at them tiny little feet. This
Look at
is a
these
foot.
feet.
This is a foot.
Tiny little foot. Tiny little feet.
I'm so sorry.
You all need some attention.
So we made it to the vet. We're here.
When you leave for
We're
5
waiting.
minutes and your kids have already
actually in
found
the
a new
grooming
mom.
room.
Some attention. Oh yeah, once you get bedded, now you're gonna scratch me.
Mm-hmm. We're actually in the grooming room because it's the biggest room they have.
Taylor. Why is it so cute? I know my face is red. This is why. Are you serious? Punchy, let's go.
She's making sure her son doesn't get into anything while she takes a nap.
What? You don't want to go to the vet? No? No vet?
Rusia, te hablo. Voltéame a ver. Te estoy hablando. Mira con el cuello. Hey, Rusia. Rusia, voltéame a ver.
She loves her kids more than anything, but every mom deserves a little peace and quiet now and then.
Good job.
Oh, such a good boy.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. Look up here. Look up here. Oh my goodness. Thomas. Yes, yes.
You can see the exact moment he realizes where he is.
After realizing the place, he was like,
And here we are at the vet. And somebody realizes it too.
they didn't even give the shot to her yet. She was like,
No, I want to go home. I want to go home.
she really doesn't want to go to the vet.
After realizing where he's going, he was like,
And here we are at the vet. And somebody realizes it too.
Big, brave German Shepherd. Not afraid of anything.
Hey, buddies.
the vet isn't so scary anymore when your pet finally meets their favorite veterinarian. She lost her cool before the needle even came out. Those legs used to run like the wind until he heard the words, "the vet." I thought we were shopping, Mom. No, wait, this isn't where I wanted to go.
She really doesn't want to go to the vets.
No. No, 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 no.
This was his first vet visit, so he hid behind his dad. This cat thinks she's the assistant vet. He just had to say hello to every furry patient.
Come on. Come on, we gotta go. Come on. Shots.
The moment he realized they were at the vet, he pulled a perfect 180 and turned right around.
Max.
It looks like someone really doesn't want to go to the vet.
Maximus. Maximus. Maximus.
This is how you turn a mischievous cat into an introvert.
Baby, oh
no.
A single smile can change the whole atmosphere.
Come on. Oh, yeah. Come on, let's go.
Someone was not happy to be at the vet on their day out.
Come on.
go. Come on, we got to go. Come on.
Thank you.
Looks like he finally learned how to close the door.
Can I come in? Okay. Come on, I want to come in. Let's go. It's time to leave.
He eats like he hasn't seen food in weeks.
Try and pick him up. No. Where's Walter? Come on, Wally.
He thought of hiding as the very first thing.
Come on, let's go. Come on. We're just going to the vet.
He's about to see the vet, and his reaction to that first shot is something everyone can relate to. He thought lying down was his best defense, but it didn't work very well.
What?
This is my dog at the vet. This is what he does. It's scary as hell, man. He won't move a muscle, like seriously. Hilarious. Oh.
Since we're already here, let's make the most of those cuddles.
Give me kisses. I love you. You can do. You can do.
Therapy dog. You want to go to the vet? Let's go to the vet. You don't want to go to the vet? No? Let's go to the vet, come on.
This has to be the best hiding spot ever. When Dad says we're going to the park, but somehow you end up at the vet. It looks like he suddenly doubled his strength the moment he realized they were at the vet. Playing the sympathy card might actually work for him.
We have to get out. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
The place where every symptom magically disappears.
Come on. I have to lift you out. Come on. Oh, Pumpkin, I know, but you have to get out of the car.
Okay.
She found a new friend. Not every vet is scary. The moment a grown man turns back into a little boy.
Come on, Poo-Poo. You're going to the vet? Come on, Poo-Poo.
He did everything he could to avoid going to the vet.
Come on. Hey, come on. Come on, let's go to the vet.
Let's see how brave our baby really is. When he misheard park time as vet time. Someone guard the door before he makes a run for it.
All right, shut. No.
Just a normal conversation before the vet visit.
What's wrong? Why are you mad? Why are you mad?
No. No, you can't. No, you have to go.
They definitely didn't see this little cutie coming.
I'm having some panic attack right now. I need to calm the book down.
He switched into bodyguard mode as soon as he saw the vet.
Thanks for watching.
Dude.
Remy, you okay?
You don't want to come to the vet? We gotta get your toenails trimmed. We gotta get your toenails trimmed. You wanna go? Let's eat. Come on then. Let's go.
Slow pull. That's it.
Refusing to move isn't going to get him out of a vet visit. Being big definitely has its advantages when you're scared of the vet.
Nope.
Oh, buddy, it's okay. It's just a vet. They're just gonna check you. It's okay, buddy.
The vet has a magical way of turning every dog into a lapdog.
Rena, we found the plane. Oh my god! We've got to go see the doctor! Oh no, honey. Okay, all right.
Dog, I thought we were going to the park. Why are we at the vet?
Okay, let me get my mask on. Oh my god, okay.
Tengo ángeles guerreros, Padre. Ángeles, Señor, hoy están en bailar. Dios mío, sácame de aquí. Oh, Dios mío, Señor, perdona mis pecados.
Oh!
His trembling says everything about how much he fears the vet. If fear had 10 levels, this dog would be at level 10.
Vamos a darle su pan.
He's wondering if his turn is really going to be that scary.
A little bit more health problems than some other breeds of dogs. Blood work's not required. I just wanted to make sure we offered it to you.
That phone call made him realize the vet nightmare was about to begin.
It's a lot of cases at like 125. If you don't want to do that, that's fine. If you would rather so just proceed.
Now. You ready? Okay. You ready? I know you got a fork now. Okay, there you go. Okay, good girl. Bye. Good girl. You ready to go? What you got, Lily?
Doesn't want to go.
Right now, all he wants is to go home.
Sit down. You can't go anywhere.
Red, irritated. Can I see on this side? Good. I know, I'm good. Very in here, I'm sorry. Good.
Familiar place, but she's brave enough to handle it.
I'll give you some.
His face was like, "Don't embarrass me."
Oh my god, you're pregnant. Oh my god, congrats.
We can tell there is a problem just by looking at his facial expression. Sometimes a little love and kindness can make even the scariest moments feel a little easier. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.